In this video, I'm going to show you how to refund a game on Steam. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So first you want to open your Steam, and from here click on Help right here in the upper left corner and simply select Steam Support. Now you'll be able to see your recent products. So in my case, I haven't bought anything recent. So let's just give you some examples. So for example, you just bought this game, so you just want to click on it. Now simply click on It's Not What I Expected. And as you can see right here, you can request a refund. So click on I'd like to request a refund. Now, Steam will be showing you if you're eligible for a refund. In my case, I'm not. So you want to take note that you can only request a refund for purchases that are more than 14 days old or have significant playtime. So you can only get a refund if the game is not 14 days old or if you haven't played it for more than 2 hours. So in my case, I'm not eligible. So if you're eligible, this will have a check mark and just simply click here for a reason to why you want a refund. Now you just want to click on submit request and that's it. Just wait for Steam to contact you again and hopefully give you your refund. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.